Why do Indian students prefer to study in Sweden? It is just not because, since it is a European nation and they do get a Schengen visa, people don't settle only for that particular reason. Sweden has many other advantages from an Indian student or an international student's point of view. First point is the education system. Unlike an Indian education system, Sweden's pattern is more often on a practical based approach. It is unlike a theoretical approach. So, a student who is investing lakhs of money in a particular master's program or in a bachelor's program would like to take up a practical experience within them for them to complete their degree. So, Sweden offers you one such curriculum. Sweden also has many high-ranked universities which is ranked from the QS World Grade ranking. Like if you take which KTH, Uppsala or Jönköping, Linköping, Chalmers, Lund, there are many good ranked universities from Sweden. Next thing is the industry collaboration. Most of the university's programs are linked towards company projects or internships so that a student will have a live-in approach during their graduation. So this is one of the major reasons why people prefer to study in Sweden. Third point is the innovative programs. So Sweden is the industrial hub for companies like Samsung, Ericsson, or Volvo and Spotify kinds of companies. So innovation and technology is the major factor why Sweden has been boasting its own education system with. So a student who's studying in these particular country for a particular university will get to know about the innovative programs and naturally they'll have a cutting edge advantage in the job market. Fourth factor is in English taught programs. So almost 900 to 1000 plus programs are available for international students for them to choose their degree options from. And finally, the culture of that particular country. So Swedish people are welcoming enough. So the international students has a very high opportunities for them to take up the future job visas. And Sweden has a 1 year of post-study work visa options for you and you can do a part-time job also. This is an ample time for you to explore for the job opportunity and get your jobs done. The Sweden's application and admission journey, I have done an exhaustive video which is split into multiple parts. So please take your time in watching up the other segments too. And thanks for watching this particular video.